Hey, I'm trying to get back into this again. So I'm reading from Meditations with Native American Elders. Today's March 30th. Okay, so here I go. If anyone has children, they better teach their children to follow the traditions that we are leaving behind, because it is later than we think with all that's going on. The habits, attitudes, beliefs that carry through the human trials of life are developed at a very young age. If we are taught to respect at a young age, the odds are that we'll be respected through our whole lives. If we are taught to dance at a young age, we will dance our whole lives. We are taught to sing the traditional songs while we are young. We will sing the songs through our whole lives. And who do we drum and sing songs to? Our children. This is how we keep it going. Great Spirit, today teach me to teach the children. I don't know what I'm going to teach children, but I guess I do my best. But that is today's meditation with Native American Elders, and hopefully I'll see you on another one.